Hi everyone, today in front of me I have BLACKVIEW A70 smartphone, and in this video we are going to show how you can activate the keyboard clipboard and manage its elements. So let's use this Google search bar widget for opening up the keyboard itself. At the keyboard, look for this very icon, then stands for the clipboard itself. And all that it's left to do for us in order for the clipboard to be activated is to turn on this tiny switch. Next, if we want to remove any elements from it, we gotta tap on this pencil, choose what elements we would like to delete, and then click on the trash bin. In order for add any element, any desired element to the clipboard, we just gotta copy something. So as for an example, I'll type in the word cat. I'll try to select it real quick, and then copy. And if we'll get back to the clipboard, we'll see that the cat element has been successfully added, and from here we can paste it by simply tapping on any desired element. Alrighty, so that was it for this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to leave the thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye!